How to verify bank account Oanda. Oanda Currency Converter is an online tool that provides real-time exchange rates and currency conversions based on market data. It supports multiple currencies, offers historical rates, and includes fee calculations for accurate conversions. First, go to Oanda website and log into your account. Then click on Manage Funds. After that, click on Bank Accounts. Then click on Add Bank Account. Select the country where the account is held. Verify your personal bank account quickly and efficiently via instant e-verification. Alternatively, you can verify your bank account manually by entering required details. That's it. Thanks for watching.